This video is about using macros with these Microsoft Office applications, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Our first macro activity for Microsoft Excel is formatting cells. Then we click View, Macros, Record Macro. Then we name it as cells. Then as a shortcut key is Control Shift A and click OK. Then we record now the macro. We'll make this font size is 10 and middle text color is red, background is blue, and we stop the recording of the macro. So we will test if it's working. Control Shift A, Control Shift A. Next macro activity is getting the average. So we click View, Macros, Record Macro. We name it as average. Then Control Shift S and OK. Then the macro is recording. So home, AutoSum, average, then enter. Then stop the recording of the macro. Then we test if it is working. Control Shift S. The last macro activity for Microsoft Excel is inserting bar chart. So go to View, Macros, Record Macro, and we name it as bar. Then we assign the shortcut key as Control Shift D. Okay. Then the macro is recording, so we go to Insert and the 2D column. So we stop the recording. Now we test if it is working. So we Control Shift D. Changing format. Simply click View, Macros, Record Macros. We put a name, format, then keyboard. We assign it as Control Alt A. Assign, close. Then we record the macros. We will change the format of this. Times New Roman 11 justified, and we stop the recording of the macro. Then we test the macro. We highlighted it. And next is putting data in the header. Click View, Macros, Record Macros. Then we name it as header. Then button. We add the header in this. Then we modify it. We'll use this key symbol. Now we will put data in the header. Then stop the recording of the macro. Now we will test the macro if it is working. So we click this key symbol. And the last macro activity for Microsoft Word is inserting table. We click View, Macros, then Record Macros, then we name it as Table, then Button, so we add again the table, then modify it, by this file symbol. Okay, then insert table, and we use 5 by 5 table. Then choose a design. I will choose this, and the recording of the macro. So now we will test if it is working. So we click this file symbol. Our first macro activity for Microsoft PowerPoint is prompting a message box. So we go to View, Macros, and we name it as Message. Then Create, and we put MSG box, and we put the message, for example, my name. Then run. And here is next macro activity for Microsoft PowerPoint is prompting the month, day, and year. So we go to View, Macros, we put name, November, then Create, then we put this code and run. So it shows that the year 2019. So we edit it by the month, then run again. So it shows 11 November, then the day. And it's our last macro activity for Microsoft PowerPoint is adding two numbers. So I already set up the surface of our macro activity. So we now execute the code. So we click this add, then enter the code to add the numbers. Label 3 dot caption is equals to ball text box 1 dot text, then positive sign. So I will copy this, then paste, then make this text box 2. So we now exit, then execute the code of this clear to clear the entries. Text box 1 dot text is equals to quotation marks. Text box 2 dot text is equals to quotation mark. Then label 3 dot caption is equals to quotation mark. So now we will close this and test if it is working. So press F5
Thank you for
and
watching
enter
this
a number.
video.
I enter 5, and second number is 7. Add is 12, then clear the entries.